Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the right color wheel and model. Choose 12 or 24 steps or open a digital wheel for exact degrees. You identify whether you're designing for screen RGB or paint/print rib or CMY because that changes mixing rules. Then define your goal. Do you want high contrast, subtle harmony, or one accent color? Once done, mark your primary color on the wheel and note its opposite and neighbors to prepare for the next construction. You now construct specific harmonies. Place a complementary pair directly opposite, create analogous sets by choosing adjacent wedges, or form triadic and tetradic schemes by spacing at 120 degrees and roughly 90 degrees intervals. While arranging, balance saturation and value so colors read clearly together. Reduce saturation for background elements and raise it for focal accents. Make sure to preview combinations at intended size and lighting. Once you test, tweak positions by 15 degrees to 30 degrees. Finish by applying your palette in context. Mock up the layout or sample paint to see real-world interactions. You check accessibility for sufficient contrast and colorblind readability, and you adjust value hierarchy so primary elements stand out. If colors clash or vibrate, reduce saturation, nudge the hue by a few degrees, or add a neutral buffer to calm the mix. If things still fail, desaturate the offending color by 10% 30% and reevaluate. This single tip often resolves most visual conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.